Hello YouTube viewers, Elfenlied Fan 5 here, and I know I have not been active for a while. Um, so I thought I'd get back into, as Black Ops 3 at the moment is absolutely just shock and shit and broken. I thought I'd do a World at War program. Basically all it does is add the Motd HUD to World at War with a couple of clicks of a button. Um, so I'm going to show you how it works. But before I do that, I just need to go into the registry and do something quickly. Delete that. Well, I want to show it properly how it works. I've forcefully fucked up my pathing so I can show you what it does if it can't find the Call of Duty path. So what you do is you open up the program. Of course there will be an actual splash screen here when I've properly finished doing it. Right. And that should not pop up, but never mind that. Then you've got this here. If it can't find your path, it will load up a box and you type in your World at War route here. So a simple way of doing it would be going to World at War's route, which would be here, and then you copy the top bar and simply just paste it into there and hit save. And then that will load your mods up. Now I've added it into every single one of these, so to make things more simple, I'm gonna load up this and I'm gonna make a totally new map. Right, we'll do HUD and then generate. Yes, yes. Okay, so obviously it's not gonna find that, so I'm gonna have to shut it down and start it up again. Okay, so once you've got the map that you want, which should be this one, you select it and hit save, and that will show you down there that your mod path and what your mod path is. You can also clear the log as well. And then if you hit BO2 HUD, which will be named Mob of the Dead HUD when it's actually released, and then hit add, it will give you this. And this is just a list of all the things that the program's done. And if you get like an error or something that pops up, message me or let me know. I've tested it multiple times, sometimes with new setups and different computer, which I haven't got at the moment, to test it on. It will say network path not found. If you get that error, just shut the program down, start it up again and hit add, select your thing and hit add. Sometimes it doesn't copy the paths across, but I've done so much trial and error and debugging that that should not happen. But now you would load up launcher. Also make sure launcher is shut when you do this, because launcher connects straight into the mod.csv file and it adds to the mod CSV file. With the launcher doesn't actually have to be shut, your mod just can't be selected. I just tend to shut launcher because it's a lot simpler that way. So if you go to your map that you've selected, you'll see it has a load of things that have not been selected, which I'm not going to select yet because I forgot I've just made it, so I'm going to have to build it first, or otherwise it's not even going to load, which should take a couple of seconds because it's a brand new map. Eventually. Hurry up. There we go. Right. Okay. So now you go into your mods, build mods, fast file, build IWD. Make sure you select all the images, all the stuff inside maps, all your weapons obviously. If you're doing this on an already modded map, yeah, it'd be very simple. You don't have to select everything, you just select the things that are unchecked. Right, once that's done, just make sure this is at the bottom as well, because if you don't have that, it will not load. That's why I said launcher has to, well, I tend to shut launcher, but you can just go and go onto a different mod and hit the button and it works. As long as it's not active when you hit the add button on the program, it will add it in. Right, so, and then once that's built, which I think I just built, but I can't remember if I did or not, so I'm going to do it again. Right, and then you go on to run, select your map, and hit run.
No power, weak. Now that's what I call blowing guts.
As you can see, it does. As you can see, that it does load up and it does load the Mob of the Dead HUD. The only thing that I will not fix now, but I will release this, and I will pass an update to the program, is there is a lot of stuff that I need to edit with, as you might be able to see if you looked, the names on the names on the weapons, Black Ops 2 names, which I will go through and I will change them all to World at War names. And then I'll throw an update to the program and sort that issue out. But this is okay at the moment as it is. Once I pass the update, because that'll take me a couple of hours to do, then I'll fix all the stuff, pass an update, which will take me another couple of hours. So hopefully by the end of tonight it will be ready and ready to be released. But I hope you enjoyed. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you very much.